Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be really exciting and informative because I'll be sharing my personal journey of how I landed my first job in project management. I often receive questions from you guys asking if the CAPM certification is worth it or how to find a job in the management field after becoming CAPM certified. Well, today I'm going to answer all those questions and provide you with some valuable tips. So, without doing any delay, let's jump right into it. First, let me give you a brief background about my education and work experience. So, I completed my bachelor's and master's degree in computer applications, graduating in 2020. During my master's program, I had the opportunity to do a 6-month internship as a software development engineer. Interestingly, I even received a pre-placement offer from the same company. However, I decided to take a different path and explore something completely new. So I switched to the education sector, yes, and worked with an edtech company for about 2 years. It was during this time that I started contemplating my future and realized my passion for project management and, to be honest, for the client facing roles. That's when I began my search for certifications and came across PMP and CAPM. Since PMP required 3 years of experience, I decided to pursue CAPM certification. Meanwhile, I started looking for job opportunities as a project coordinator or an associate in the management field. Fortunately, I landed my first job as an associate project manager, and that's how I made the transition from a completely different background to project management. Now, let's dive into the tips that helped me secure my first job in project management. So, the tip number one, update your resume. Yeah, one of the first things I did was update my resume. I highlighted relevant experiences such as managing a team of 14 people during my tenure at the edtech company. I also included the projects that were directly applicable to the job role that I was aiming for. Customizing your resume to match the job requirements is essential. Now, the tip number two is expand your network. While initially my network consisted mostly of college friends and current colleagues on LinkedIn, I realized the importance of connecting with professionals already working in the project management field. So, I started sending connection requests to individuals in similar roles or industries. This not only provided me with the valuable tips and insights, but also boosted my confidence. Like seeing others who had successfully navigated the path I wanted to pursue gave me the motivation to keep pushing forward. Now, the tip number three is be open to internships or entry level positions. Sometimes being open to internships or entry level positions can be a stepping stone to your dream job. While it's natural to have specific expectations, obviously, but being flexible and gaining practical experience in real world project management scenarios can greatly enhance your chances of landing a job. Now, the tip number four is showcase transferable skills. So, identify and highlight transferable skills from your previous experiences, such as leadership or maybe communication, problem solving, and organization. Emphasize how these skills can be applied to the project management roles. It's all about demonstrating the value you can bring to the table, right? Tip number five, leverage online platforms. Make the most of online platforms like LinkedIn, job boards, and professional networking sites to search for project management job openings. Optimize your profile to showcase your CAPM certification and project management skills. Additionally, don't hesitate to share your learnings and achievements on LinkedIn. I mean, even if you don't receive many likes or comments, who cares? It increases your visibility and makes you stand out to recruiters, right? Tip number 6 is tailor your application materials. So customize your cover letter and resume for each job application. Highlight your CAPM certification, relevant coursework, and any related experience that aligns with the specific job requirements. Basically, tailoring your application materials demonstrates your genuine interest in the position and sets you apart from the other candidates. Tip number 7 is prepare for interviews. Familiarize yourself with common project management interview questions and prepare thoughtful responses. Showcase your knowledge, your skills, and enthusiasm for project management during the interview process. In my opinion, confidence and preparation are key. Tip number 8 is continue learning and development. Stay updated on industry trends, best practices, and emerging project management methodologies. Consider pursuing additional certifications or training like becoming a Scrum Master or maybe learning Jira or any project management tools. Continuous learning shows your commitment to professional growth and keeps you ahead in the field. Remember that landing a job in project management requires persistence and patience. Keep refining your skills, expanding your network, and applying for relevant positions. With determination and the right approach, you will increase your chances of securing a rewarding project management role. So I wish you all the best of luck. I hope you found this video helpful. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and bye.